Any Coach of the Year debate begins in OKC and Cleveland, but what if I tell you there are two other coaches who are deserving as well? OKC coach Mark Daigneault is deserving, sure. He's leading the Thunder to the best record in the league, plus possibly setting the best point differential in NBA history. Kaya lang, wala pang nanalo ng back-to-back Coach of the Year. Wala pa. Sa Cleveland, Kenny Atkinson has transformed the Cavs into possibly setting the highest offensive rating in NBA history, and tatlong 15-game win streaks in a season. Clear favorite si Atkinson. History in the making is also happening in Detroit, thanks to new coach JB Bickerstaff. From last place last year sa East, they are now in the thick of the playoff race thanks to a 27-game turnaround, the highest in franchise history. From both honorable mention, Houston coach Ime Udoka. With almost the same lineup, he has transformed the Rockets into the second seed in an ultra-competitive West. Defense has always been his bread and butter, but non-defensive players like Jalen Green and Alpi Sengun buying into the system tells you a lot about Ime as a coach. So, sino Coach of the Year mo? Kay Kenny Atkinson ako eh. But JB Bickerstaff also is award-worthy.